Hi, Ellie here. This video will discuss whether it is worth buying the Ooni Karu 12G optional gas burner. The Karu 12G pizza oven comes with the wood burner as standard, and so the gas burner is an extra accessory that can be purchased to convert the Karu 12G into a multi-fueled pizza oven. We'll discuss the optional gas burner for this oven and weigh up its pros and cons. Let's take a look at the gas burner that is available for the Karu 12G. This is the burner that Ooni are currently selling for the Karu 12-inch oven range. I bought this for the Karu 12 and it is also sold for the Karu 12G. It has two oval-shaped burners that deliver a flame from the back of the oven. It's silver to match the Karu 12 oven, and it also matches the silver finish at the back of the Karu 12G. The dial on the back adjusts the flame from low to high. The dial is also used to ignite the gas when you push it in and turn it. If you are concerned about using gas, this dial and ignition is simple and easy to use, as simple as igniting and using a gas cooker hob as a comparison. The burner itself will need to be slotted into the back of the oven where the wood burner normally sits. You just need to swap them over when you are ready. Firstly, let's cover the advantages of using the optional gas burner for the Ooni Karu 12G. The gas burner makes the oven setup quick and easy. Just grab a gas bottle, click it on and ignite. The oven will heat up from the flame from the gas burner. Once the oven is hot enough, you're ready to launch. Just turn the dial to the flame size you prefer for the pizza cook and you are ready to go. The gas burner offers a more precise temperature control, allowing you to adjust the heat to the level you need for your cook. It also gives you fast and simple control of the flames, so you can turn the dial to provide a flame size that you need. The gas burner produces no ash and smoke, and so when you compare that to the wood-fired burner, it means a lot less dust and ash to clean up. The gas burner also doesn't dirty the glass door. There is no ash or soot buildup after your cook. The gas burner will cook a super pizza in this oven, and you will need to use it in the same way as the wood burner, with the glass door shut and the pizza chimney on and open. While the Ooni Karu 12 is primarily a wood and charcoal fired oven, adding the gas burner option really does make it very versatile for the cook. You can choose to use gas when you want. It's quick and easy cooking, but still have the option to use wood or charcoal too. And so to have that option is a fantastic benefit. And it also gives you the ability to create dishes that would be more suitable for the gas burner too. For example, cooking a dish on a low, stable flame. In my opinion, there is no difference in the flavours from the wood and gas burner. This is because the pizza cook is so fast that there isn't much time for the smoky flavours from the wood to infuse into the pizza, and so it tastes the same as a gas cooked pizza. The only difference would be the ash on the pizza stone when using the wood burner. Your pizza base may pick up some wood ash from the fuel, although I haven't picked up any flavours from the ash on the base. Now let's cover the disadvantages of using the optional gas burner. There aren't many, but there are a few. The gas burner is an optional extra, and so there is an added cost in addition to the main purchase of the oven. And you will also need to buy a gas bottle and have space to store it, although they aren't that big. Although I said earlier that the gas burner gives a great pizza cook, in my opinion, I don't think it cooks the pizza as well as the wood burner, and I will explain why. The flames of the gas burner and the wood burner are not the same. The gas flame comes from two oval holes and they are pulled through the oven, over the pizza, and the heat released through the chimney. The wood flames are also drawn over the pizza in the same way, but there is a difference. The wood flames are wispy and they are delicately drawn to the lower edge of the pizza crust and the top before being drawn up the chimney. The gas flames from this burner are less wispy, and so they tend to reach a higher level of the pizza. From my experience of cooking with a gas burner, in this oven, the Karu 12G, it cooks the pizza really well, but it positions that cook at a higher level. I am unlikely to obtain bubbles on the crust at the lower part of the pizza, and that's okay. It's just different to the wood flame burner in this oven. Also, this is happening not because it's a gas flame compared to a wood flame, it's because the flame from the burner is not wispy enough. For example, compared to the gas flames of the Koda 12 and the Koda 16, which in my opinion are lovely and wispy and do reach both the bottom and the top of the pizza at the same time. The optional gas burner for the Ooni Karu 12G pizza oven offers the cook convenience, easily adjustable heat and flame control, but it costs extra. It's great to have the option to have a quick and easy heat up time using a gas flame, where unlike wood, you don't need to keep an eye on or control the flame size. It cooks a great pizza, but tends to hit the crust at a higher level than the wood flames. I put it on low, open the door, and then it goes out. So would I recommend purchasing the gas burner for the Ooni Karu 12G? Yes, definitely. Having the option to multi-fuel in this oven is fantastic, and to be able to switch over so easily is a fantastic option to have. But your choice ultimately depends on your cooking preferences. Check out my first ever cook in the Karu 12G in this video here. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!